Surprise! How you guys doing? It has been a minute. I've missed doing this channel so much. Apologies for the radio silence. If you guys have been following me on social media, you'll know that I've been super busy. Unfortunately, between family and work and making comics and teaching people, I've just not had time to actually make new content for the channel. But one of the things that I have been doing in the meantime is all the lessons that are actually on this channel for free. I went and wrote a book about it. And the great thing about this is I've actually been nominated for a Ringo Award next month, which is just amazing because I am the only self-published person in the category for the book that they've created. So I just wanted to put it out there and say, you know, if you've been following this channel or you bought the book and you actually have taken those steps to actually go and make your own comics, well done. I'm proud of you. That is amazing. But if you are making comics now, could you do me a massive favour and go to ringoawards.com and actually vote for Making Your First Comic by Matt Garvey in the best comic related publication section. And I'd appreciate that. And as well as that, I'm even going to be flying over from the UK to Baltimore to go to the Ringo Awards and be at the Comic Con for 3 days. So if you are going to the Baltimore Comic Con, let me know in the comments, because I'd love to meet as many people as I can, and I really appreciate your support. So remember, Making Your First Comic, Ringo Awards, and vote for it in the best comic related publication. So thanks a lot guys, and hopefully I'll be making some new content really soon. Cheers, bye.